what can be seen as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's reference to bulldozer justice. The Prime Minister said that the INDIA bloc leaders should take tuitions from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on where to use bulldozers. The Prime Minister targeted the opposition parties over the Ram Mandir while addressing a rally in Uttar Pradesh's Barabanki on Friday. Now, it's here that the Prime Minister claimed that the Congress and the Samajwadi Party will run a bulldozer over the Ram Temple if elected to power, and Ram Lalla will be forced to live inside a tent again.
कांग्रेस वाले सरकार में आए तो रामलला को फिर से टेंट में भेजेंगे और मंदिर पर बुलडोजर चलवा देंगे। क्या योगी जी से यही सीखना है क्या? अरे जरा योगी जी से ट्यूशन लो, बुलडोजर कहां चलाना कहां नहीं चलाना।
And the Grand Old Party was quick to react on the Prime Minister's remarks. Leading the charge was senior leader and Rajya Sabha MP Jairam Ramesh, who said that this showcases the ideology of the RSS and the Prime Minister. He further said that the BJP's 400-par pitch is based on dismantling the present constitution. Listen in.
ये सोच आरएसएस की सोच है, ये सोच प्रधानमंत्री की सोच है, ये बाबा साहब अंबेडकर के संविधान को हटाना चाहते हैं। 400 पार का नारा देकर असली बात तो ये है कि कभी भी आरएसएस और बीजेपी बाबा साहब अंबेडकर के संविधान से वो स्वीकारती कभी नहीं थी।
Minister outburst today that Congress and Samajwadi, if comes to power, they will bulldoze the Ram Temple. This is a shocking statement from the Prime Minister, and I condemned it. Lord Rama is omnipresent and is the soul of our country. Congress Party and Samajwadi Party would never do such a thing that would hurt the feeling of the human beings of this country.